Welcome to the 7th Annual London Law Expo.
Welcome back. This will be a day to remember for all sorts of reasons.
Working with France and the team has been amazing. They are always great at communication.
I think it's a great opportunity for ourselves as well, as a company, to promote ourselves, to share a moment with our customers and clients.
But I mean, as always, Frances and her team's done a stellar job.
It's been great to get back together again. I think however cost-effective and time-effective virtual meetings are, you just realise when you're back in person what you miss.
Frances and the team are they're on their game.
The first part of the challenge which is coming up, how to work on taking digital solutions and making money out of them.
The real problem is what is going to be the impact, and the impact will be determined by your security architecture, how well your security is designed.
And the question that comes back again is, what could your teams or organisations do with that?
One thing has really stood out to us today in terms of how well provisioned law firms are across the board in terms of their security posture. Many people have done many good things, but perhaps they're missing a couple of things that could make a difference.
It's really important for law firms that they try and keep ahead of how technology is changing, and I think that's something that's weighing heavy on a lot of the law firms' minds, how they can keep up, keep competitive advantage.
Everyone's got this real burning need to make sure that they're secure, and security is all about layers at the end of the day.
But we still have to try for the first time something that we haven't done before, and that outcome is always going to be less predictable than when we've done it a million times.
Any tech solution you buy today is probably going to be redundant in 6 months, if not less.
There is painstaking work involved in implementing technology to help improve and change the delivery of legal services.
And I would wager a fair few of us in this room have had to put quite an enormous amount of infrastructure together.
It's very much a question of a lot more is being expected from legal, and we're very, very keen to embrace that because it's what makes our job more interesting.
One of the big challenges with trying to bring new type of software and convince firms and professional services to transform is how far do you go backwards? There's a tendency for everybody to say, we'll never do that, that's too much work.
And the process continues, which means actually we're adding additional workload and pressure to our jobs by actually not spending time focusing on what we really need to do.
It's about what are we going to take away that's creating the wrong environment, that's reinforcing the wrong message. It's not just about formulating, here are our values and here are our culture, but what do we have to undo of the old in order to make sure we move forward.